unreserved for general.
U MLA ka Nongpoh uba meral bonds ulapen pau ya ka jing sngo khuslai jing mut u halor ka jing slam ban pinbiang ya ki Ïing kisem Hapoh ka integrated housing and slum development program han Nongpoh shakibete hok ban yo ye Jingmyntoi ya ka ni ka scheme lamang tingkau snem araja pra arajar kendai ban pinbiang ki jakasa jakashong na ka bentai ki long Ïing ki long sem ki beduk ki bekerdo ha ka blala ban pendep ru shispa at pra teli ki Ïing wat lakat taru nakadaw jong ki kat tu kat ni kidaw ki Nongïoh Jingmyntoi kimpat yo ya kini ki Ïing kisem ubah si mulai thu ru bakumba lai pu artli ki long Ïing kila dep yo jingbit ban let shong let sa hakini ki Ïing nadu usnem arhajar arpu ar la ptha ru ban penlong ya ke jingelang ba urang ba snong ban petikna ba ki lai pu ar ngut ki Nongïoh Jingmyntoi kin yo ban let sa let shong hakini ki Ïing kisem.
Program. Way back in 2008-2009, it was sanctioned to facilitate poor family who doesn't have a house, who doesn't have a land. They will be accommodated there. This project has been pending. Now around 128 unit has been completed due to the issue that the beneficiary that has been selected, the committee which is headed by the deputy commissioner, they have not directed them to go and stay there. So these places and this house, it's just lying like that.